Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. Alhamdulillah, carpentry contractors completed most of the drywall on the lower level except for 2 sheets. All the finishing on the first floor lower level should be complete by Friday. They will then move upstairs and start finish coating all the drywall. Most of the soffits have partial drywall and will be completed when all the sprinkler piping is done. That will most likely be by Friday or Monday. The HVAC contractors installed the third basement unit and started piping in the exhaust intakes. The electrical contractor is working on small items while they are waiting for fixtures to arrive. The site contractors are here to do the collar repair at the back of the basin, and they also poured the concrete blocks at all the inspection ports in the parking lot and started digging out for the basketball court and finished graded topsoil in various areas. The landscape contractor installed about 75% of the trees and bushes throughout the site. They should be done installing trees and bushes early next week and will start mulching. The old septic tank in front of the existing mosque was decommissioned and filled with flowable fill. The sidewalk contractors will be back tomorrow to continue working on the remainder of the walks-in slabs at the rear doors. Please continue donating as much as you can in these last few nights of Ramadan and support the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.